The beautiful and affluent canal town nourishes thousands upon thousands of sons and daughters of China. It is known as a land of attractive resources and magical power, as well as a birthplace of creative minds and gifted talents. Ningbo is a bright pearl in this land and also the superstar city, which has developed rapidly along with reform and opening up policy. Its convenient transportation, such as Beilun Port, Hangyong Expressway and Hangzhou Bay Bridge, reduce the distance between the world and here. All these make Ningbo an attraction for investment and establishment. Ningbo Wide Sky SKS Hydraulic Co. Ltd. is a dazzling pearl in such a great land. Ningbo Wide Sky SKS Hydraulic Co. Ltd., Ningbo SKS Hydraulic Pump Factory, was founded in 1985. Through the unremitting efforts of staff, SKS made a stable development and relocated to a new site in June 2006. The new factory covers 50,000 square meters. We have invested 100 million RMB, built a 30,000 square meter plant and 6,000 square meter living installation. SKS infrastructure construction becomes better and approaches perfection day by day under those efforts. Ningbo SKS Hydraulic Co. Ltd. became a registered trademark SKS in 2000. We are certified by ISO International Quality System, awarded the High Quality Product Certificate of Zhejiang Industrial Machinery Authority, and have become a high-tech enterprise in Ningbo City and Zhejiang Province. We have our own export right for our products and have the supported policy from the Government Industry Scientific Research Project. In 2005, Ningbo Wide Sky SKS Hydraulic Co. Ltd. and Zhenjiang Guangtian Riyue Group Co. Ltd. reached a win-win cooperation and established Ningbo Wide Sky SKS Hydraulic Co. Ltd. Through 23 years development, SKS makes a rapid progress in people confidence, process capability and the quality of products. With the expanding scale of business and forming operation philosophy and core values, SKS aspires to be the best supplier of hydraulic axle pistol pumps and motors as well as spare parts in China. We have provided the customer at home and abroad with high-tech and high added value products and have become one of the most complete manufacturers of hydraulic pumps and spare parts in the world. We have always deemed it our duty to develop China's national industry. A new star is rising in the hydraulic business field. We are aware of the prosperous future in the hydraulic business and mobile machinery business, and we will seize the opportunity and develop swash plate axle pistol pumps, bent axle pistol pumps, piston motors as well as the rotary group and spare parts. We are now the leader in hydraulic spare parts industry. SKS products are widely used as a replacement in engineering machinery, construction machinery, metallurgical machinery, plastic machinery, pharmaceutical machinery, agricultural machinery, crane machinery, and shipping machinery, etc. SKS developed quickly in 1997, and the business value has doubled each year, especially in the last 2 years. High-tech products with high added value are one of the industries which the government encourages at present. The future of this business is prosperous. Meanwhile, all those products have been used to replace the imported ones. Some of them have filled up the domestic blank market. Because of the foresight from SKS leadership, we have achieved success today. Advances in information and the decisions of our leaders play an important role in the development of the company. SKS develops not only the rotary group and spare parts, but also complete variable piston pumps and tandem pumps, for example SA10 VSO series. After that, SKS continues to produce SK3V variable piston pump, A6VE 160 hydraulic motor, SA2FO bent pump, and A11 VLO 190 variable piston pump. Since biennial seminars of Chinese mini excavator parts and components, SKS puts emphasis on the mini excavator hydraulic pumps, travel swing motors, and mobile valves which have been used for machines under 10 tons in weight and lower than 38 MPa in system pressure. We have successfully developed the main hydraulic pumps swing and travel motors for 4-ton and 8-ton excavators. SKS purchased 2 sets of mini excavators in order to explore its hydraulic components successfully and made testing benches for hydraulic pumps and motors. SKS advocates reform in technology for new product R&D. So far, we have changed the bearing seat of swash plate of K3V series pumps from casting to brass sintering, while changing the brass bore guide into a ferrous metal one. After reform, the new parts have twice the life of the old ones, and the new parts are already adopted by all our customers. While we improve the existing complete pump, SKS develops SPVB, SPVQ, SPVH, etc. variable piston pumps, as well as gear pump, charge pump, valve assemblies, control valves, and so on. We have made great progress in technology management, sale, and R&D. There's more than 500 staff now, while the value of output is more than 100 million RMB. We know the development of a country is bound up with talents, and the core of competition is the competition of talents. SKS brings in many top managers and hydraulic experts, for example, Mr. Wang Changjiang. We are sure that we have the most talents compared to our competitors. Our logo is enabling each person to develop his talents, putting everything to its best use. SKS has 6 production branches at present, which are Assembly Branch for Hydraulic Pump Motor, Hydraulic Spare Parts Branch, Gear Pump Branch, Hydraulic Valve Branch, Hydraulic Pump Repair Branch, and Casting Branch. SKS has its own production system for casting, bimetal sintering, heat treatment, production of spare parts, to pump valve assembly. We have established perfect sales networks in main cities both at home and abroad, such as American cities, Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenyang, etc. In order to increase the potential for company development, SKS has imported more than 400 machines and equipments, such as full automatic horizontal machining centers, vertical machining center, vertical honing machine, 3-coordinate measuring machine, pneumatic micrometer, steel spectrometer, brass spectrometer, and so on. Meanwhile, we have solved the copper turn-off problem for cylinder block and valve plate with an imported sinter brass furnace. We have invested more than 10 million RMB in heat treatment in 2006 and imported the full set of heat treatment production line, nitriding furnace, multipurpose furnace, thermal refining furnace, tempering furnace, carburizing and quenching furnace, high-frequency quenching machine, Brockwell hardness testing machine, and diamond pyramid hardness machine. Besides, we bring in senior professional engineers to guarantee the best quality for the technology and products. Raw material is the key to quality guarantee. SKS has introduced from abroad advanced casting technology and established a joint venture, Ningbo Wide Sky SKS Precision Casting Co. Ltd., which specializes in the production of variable housing, casting, valve bodies, and precision casting. In order to guarantee the quality and increase the output, SKS have imported a full automatic production line, induction melting furnace, sand mold molding machine, and automatically modular redundancy core shooter. Inspection equipment, CSI metallographic analysis apparatus, hydraulic stretcher equipment, and so on. The main technology of SKS is from Europe, and it has already reached the advanced world level. We all know we should be strict with quality control if we want to produce and develop the best pump and motor. We have already invested more than 10 million to set up the test branch with Beijing Institute of Technology and Wuji Hydraulic Co. Ltd. The advanced data processing system can control dynamic and static features easily. SKS has good office automation construction too. we introduced yvcd advanced computer software. We developed successful SKS management system, stock list and sales dynamic management system, as well as the financial software management system by ourselves. We have achieved the resources sharing between headquarters and branches, as well as the dynamic management of production, sales and stock, which improves office automation and resource sharing. The enterprise must expand and strengthen itself to meet the demands of supporting the main market in China. To strengthen the management is of vital importance to the enterprise. We have brought in Mr. Yao Guangshan, who has rich experience in management, and we have adopted the advanced ERP system. We are going to enlarge our production scale and to be ready for the OEM demands. When we drink water, we should remember where it comes from. SKS keeps it firmly in mind. We help and assisted the poor to be educated in 2007 and contribute to Wenchan more than 100 million RMB. We repay to society in such simple ways. Pursuing and promoting quality is SKS's unremitting pursuit all the time. Our slogan is, SKS creates the international brand. It's the pride of Chinese domestic enterprises. All the products we produce should match with the original ones. SKS attends various international construction exhibitions in Beijing, Shanghai, America, Germany and UK, and wins many favorable comments and has developed a good reputation. The leap and development of SKS attracts a great attention in the hydraulic industry. The first seminars of Chinese mini excavator parts and components were successfully held in SKS. More than 200 famous manufacturers and experts came together in SKS and studied the present situation, development prospect and strategic target of domestic mini excavator and components. We believe SKS will be world famous by our joint efforts. The future of SKS will be more glorious and prosperous.